In the tender moments before dawn's embrace, as the sky softly blushes with the promise of day, immerse yourself in anticipation akin to a lover waiting the beloved, a silent symphony of hope and excitement. Watch as the sun, like a celestial dancer, gracefully ascends the horizon. Blink gently, allowing the beauty of the unfolding spectacle to wash over you, while within, a subtle resonance stirs, mirroring the sun's radiant emergence. With hands tenderly poised before your navel, palms open like petals, seeking the sun's warm caress, feel the connection to your inner sanctum, the lower than tian. With knees gently bent, invite the rising sun to converge within, igniting a symphony of light and energy that spirals upward in harmonious union. As the sun's golden fingers reach out to embrace the world, gently close your eyes. In the tender darkness, behold the luminous imprint of the sun's brilliance etched upon the canvas of your inner vision. This sacred communion with the dawn holds transformative power. As you attune yourself to the sun's radiant arrival, feel the gentle tendrils of its warmth unfurling within your being. With each passing moment, witness the alchemy of the sunrise weaving its magic as love, compassion, and kindness blossom within your heart, casting aside shadows of anger, ambition, and ego.